the maximum speed and acceleration of a particle executing in simple harmonic motion are 10 centimeter per second and 50 centimeter per second square. Find the position of the particle when the speed is 8 centimeter per second. Alright, now we know Vmax, that is given by 10 centimeter per second, and acceleration max, that is given by 50 centimeter per second square. Now maximum velocity always occurs at the mean position, and the maximum acceleration of a particle is observed at extreme position. Now what do we have over here is, I had to calculate the position of the particle when the speed is 8 centimeter per second. Now we know that velocity is equals to omega under root of r square minus x square. Now if I substitute the value of velocity, that is 8 centimeter per second, in this equation, I can get the velocity, I can get the value of x, that is the position. But for that I had to calculate r, that is the amplitude, and omega, that is the angular frequency. Now I know Vmax, that is given by 10 centimeter per second, and during the whole SHM this equation always holds true, that is V is equals to r omega. So I substitute Vs 10.1 rather meter per second is equals to r into omega. So I get the value of omega as 0.10 by r, and if I square both the side, then it will be omega square is equals to 0.10 by r whole square. Alright, now in second equation we know that maximum acceleration or the acceleration is given by omega square into displacement, and now if the acceleration is maximum, then this distance will be equal to the amplitude, that will be equal to r. So maximum acceleration is given as 0.50 by r, that will be equal to omega square. So I can equate this omega square with this omega square, so just substitute the value of this omega square over here, so it will be 0.10 by r whole square. So it comes out to be 0.5 by r is equal to 0.1 into 0.1 by r into r. So 1 r gets cancelled, the value of r comes out to be 2 centimeter. Fine, this is my amplitude now. Now I do have a value of r, I do have a value of omega, so I can substitute both the values in this equation. That is, velocity is given as 8 centimeter per second, that is the 0.08 meter per second. The value of omega, let it be square, so omega square can be written as 0.5 by r, that is again 0.02 into r square minus x square. So just solve this equation. The value of r is again 2 centimeter, so just substitute it. The value of r is 0.02 whole square minus x square into 0.08 whole square. So just solve this equation for the value of x. The value of x comes out to be under root of 1.44, that is plus minus 1.2 centimeter. That is the answer. This plus minus sign basically shows that this very velocity, I mean 8 centimeter per second, will be occurred at both the side of the mean position at a distance 1.2 centimeter from the mean position.